Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the world of big data and exploring the powerful open source framework called Hadoop. Get ready to unleash the potential of distributed data processing and learn how to handle massive datasets with ease. Let's jump right in. Before we delve into Hadoop, let's first understand the concept of big data. Big data refers to large and complex datasets that cannot be processed or analyzed using traditional methods. This is where Hadoop comes into play. Hadoop is an Apache software foundation project that provides a scalable and fault-tolerant framework for distributed data processing. It's designed to handle large datasets across clusters of commodity hardware, making it an ideal solution for processing and analyzing big data. Now, let's explore the architecture of Hadoop. At its core, Hadoop consists of two key components: the Hadoop Distributed File System, HDFS, and the MapReduce Processing Framework. Host, HDFS is a distributed file system that stores data across multiple nodes in a Hadoop cluster, ensuring high availability and fault tolerance. It allows us to split large datasets into smaller blocks and distribute them across the cluster for efficient storage and processing. The MapReduce framework is responsible for processing the data stored in HDFS. It enables parallel processing by dividing the computation into smaller tasks that can be executed across different nodes in the cluster. This parallel processing capability is what makes Hadoop a powerful tool for big data analysis. Now that we understand the basics, let's dive into setting up a Hadoop cluster. To follow along, you'll need a few machines with Linux installed. First, we'll configure the Hadoop environment variables and edit the necessary configuration files. Then, we'll format the HDFS file system and start the Hadoop daemons. We'll cover the steps in detail, ensuring you have a fully functional Hadoop cluster ready for data processing. With our Hadoop cluster up and running, it's time to explore MapReduce programming. MapReduce allows us to write distributed data processing jobs in a simple and scalable manner. We'll walk through the MapReduce programming model and cover the key concepts of mappers, reducers, input/output formats, and the shuffle phase. We'll also write a sample MapReduce program in Java, showcasing how to leverage the power of Hadoop for data processing tasks. Hadoop has a vibrant ecosystem of tools and technologies that enhance its functionality. In this part, we'll briefly touch upon some of the popular components like Hive, Pig, and Spark, which enable high-level data querying, data manipulation, and real-time processing on top of the Hadoop platform. Congratulations! You've completed our Big Data Hadoop tutorial. You now have a solid foundation in distributed data processing and can harness the power of Hadoop to handle big data like a pro. Stay curious and keep exploring the vast world of big data. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more exciting tech tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy Hadooping! End.